the most beautiful part of our oceans. They protect our coastlines from erosion, provide safe homes for fish, a source of food, income, and even new medicines. But our coral reefs are vastly uncared for and are dying at a rapid rate. Our group chose to physicalize this process, to spread awareness and show the issue of coral bleaching.
Hi, I'm Meher and I'm a member of the design team. As the design team, we spent our time making blueprints and sketches for the installation within the first few weeks, and then as building week started, we made the skeleton, we made the installation itself as in the outside, the panels, and we decorated it, painted it, and put all the little bits and bobs on the installation at the end of it.
Hi, I'm Altea, and I'm part of the documentation team. As documentation team, we try to oversee the entire progress of the team and of course, note it down. What we try to do is we try to follow the create design model, and so that means that we employ design techniques and methods in order to make our installation. Next to that, we also try to evaluate our installation using heuristics or other methods, and this is all so that we can try to fit in and see if our goals, which are split into two categories, user experience goals and functionality goals, and see if it does meet our expectations.
Hello, I am Vrakje. I'm part of the tech team. We worked on all the technological aspects of the project, which include an RFID scanner to scan the country you want to see in the data. We have the LEDs that are mapped to the data. We also have fishes that are going up and down depending on how much bleaching there is in the region. We also have sound that adapts to how much bleaching there is. And we have a fishing rod which we can select the year by using a potentiometer.
Anthozoa can be started by choosing a realm in the world map and then putting it on the scanner to scan it. Afterwards, spin the rod to select the year and learn from the facts all around our installation. And finally, watch the lights in the coral change.